Okay, so I'm back and I'm gonna make another little candy craft. I'm really excited. But this time, so last time I did it, my boss went to a meeting and I did it while she was gone, but right now she's just in her office and the door is open. Okay, so I'm gonna try to be a little faster and a little quieter, and honestly, I would have given myself a B- on the last one, so I'm also just gonna try to be a little better in general. 2020. So this is the one that we are gonna do today. It's all sushi. Ooh. There's egg sushi, which I've never had before. I know that's probably not real egg. Tuna, and then salmon roe. Okay, let's just get into it. And then I have a glass.
What's going on? What you doing?
Nothing. Oh my god. My spot is getting blown up. Oh my god, now I'm like so thrown off. I feel like everyone knows. Okay, let's open the box. That felt wild. I'm like really conscious about how crinkly all of this packaging is. Okay, mise en place, rice candy powder. This was also an ASMR video. So this is the Salmon Roe candy powder. That's the little dot balls. You know what I'm talking about. Tuna candy powder and the omelet candy powder. I've never had an omelet sushi. Is that like a breakfast thing? Leave the answer in the comments or just tell me I'm stupid, whatever. Okay, and soy sauce candy powder. I hope it tastes like cola again. The cola stuff was so good from the last episode. You have to go back and watch it if you don't know what I'm talking about. Ooh, a flat Coca-Cola is good though. Okay, again, we have a little tiny shovel. Definitely gonna drop the egg balls into something with this. Okay, and then this is it like licorice or gum? It's like a black little piece of gum in a wrapper. So let's just get into it. Fill the oval depression with water, then add powder from the blue packet. Stir until thick like cooked rice. I can't tell if I put too much water or not enough water. Like, sure, it's done. Okay, now make omelet. People keep walking by. Now it feels too quiet. Okay, add water up to the line on the side in spiral section, then add powder from yellow packet mix, spread and flatten. It says spread and oh crap. It's like really liquidy, but then it also says wait for 3 minutes. Okay. So the next step is to make the tuna. Add water up to line on side in wavy section. Then add powder from the red packet. Mix, spread, and flatten. I really, 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 really hope that this firms up. It's in God's hands now. Okay.
It's in Maura's hands, not
Oh my god, you scared me so bad. What's up? So we're gonna set this aside. And now we are going to make dried seaweed. Hi, Karen. Spread out the black candy to match shape and size of the packing pouch. This does not look like seaweed. Next, we will make the salmon roe. Okay, guys, this is gonna be the hard part. You know, the time has come for me to terribly mess this up. And I think that the salmon roe is where it's gonna happen. Okay, add water to lines in sections A and B. Hey.
What are you doing?
Making a sushi craft.
During your lunch break, right?
Yes, it is.
Your lunch break?
Yes.
Sushi, I love sushi.
Yes.
Okay, fine.
Okay.
Be good. Make
Okay, I will. Do I need to finish? Okay. I thought I was in trouble. Oh my god, I was So, okay. Add powder from the green packet to section A. And now we are doing from the orange packet in section B. Mix well. This is it. Use the dropper to slowly add mixture B to mixture A. Okay. Oh my God. Oh my God. It's happening. It's really working. Can you see this? They're like forming. I'm doing a really good job at this. I thought I would do a really bad job. Are there Siamese fish twins? Because those eggs look like they can really get stuck together. Are there fish swimming around stuck together? Let me know in the comments. I think this, oh, I'm gonna like this because everything smells like grape and I love a good fake grape flavor, like grape soda. Okay, so I have all my elements and now I need to assemble. Oh, okay. I still haven't made my soy sauce, but that is the last step. I'm starting to feel pressure from those around me. And by feel pressure, I mean get weird looks. All I have to do is assemble this. Okay. So I need to get the rice into like 5 equal parts. So I need to form a ball. This is my ball. 2 balls down. Oh, f***. I don't know about my rice, guys. Oh, okay. Hello, Jonathan. Now everyone's looking at me. I really need to stick the landing of this guy, so I would appreciate some support. Ah! People are just throwing debris at me now. It's not nice. Cut omelet and tuna in half. Okay. I dropped it. Shut up. Eee. Okay. It's on there. Eee. Ah. Oh my God. Ah. Jesus. Okay. 2 down. Eggs to go. If someone with me right now, I'm gonna lose my shit. Ah. Damn it. Okay, it's the last step. I'm taking my dried seaweed, wrapping it. Oh, jeez. Now I'm going to use the shovel to scoop it out. Yes! Oh my God. I have to make the soy sauce. So, everything smells grape-ish. Oh, but this is brown. Enjoy dipping sushi in this soy sauce. Okay, now I can try stuff. I am going to put this all in my mouth right now. So it's overwhelmingly, everything's grape flavor, but that was really weird because I had 3 different textures, but they all tasted the same. So there's like wet juice balls, dry Play-Doh, and then like, oh hey, do you want to try this? Yeah. I just made it. Guys, this is my friend Louise. Cheers. Ding.
That's interesting.
The general box says grape and soda flavors. I'm getting a lot of grape.
So I got maybe the soda. This is good. I like it.
Okay. Wow.
Great job.
Yes, thank you. I need to be done. So I'm gonna just clean up all my stuff and get back to work. And hopefully I'll find another one of these that I can do again soon. Okay, bye.